Break ID number 572. 2016-17 Gold Standard Basketball. This one has one filler, and it's a buy one, get one free. So after we do the filler, I need to assign the free spots. So this filler, the winner of this filler gets 3 spots. So when I double the spots, the winner of this filler is actually going to get 6. So let's pull up the filler first. And randomize it 3 times. David, you have the Toledo Mud Hens in this break. David wins the filler. So let me put him in there for those 3 spots, and then let me assign the free spots, and I'll be right back. All right, here we go. You all have been given your free spots. There is the alphabetical list. And let's do what we do to it. There you go. I didn't, Nick. So if we happen to pull any football out of this box, you can have those. Is that a deal? I promise you can have every football that accidentally got put in this box. Boy, I hope there's not a strange insert of some sort that has football in it. Wow, again? That is awesome. All right, let's do it. I love this gold standard stuff. Football is pretty awesome too. I actually think we're going to have some of this for Insanity Sunday for football and basketball. Brandon Knight out of 269. Jason Kidd out of 269. Beautiful stuff. Jimmy Butler out of 269. And 7 out of 79. Insert set called 79 Gold. Porzingis auto. Look at that card. That is to the Knicks. Jeff, BR. Jeff, BR, having a good night. And 72 out of 99, Motherlode auto, Mario Ellie. Guys, at $8, buy one, get one free is basically $4 a team. For cards like this, that is to the Spurs. Jason, DU. Another Porzingis, that one's out of 79. And last, 8 of 25, RPA Wade Baldwin. That is to the Grizzlies. John, KE. Yeah, we're going to get you hooked on basketball yet, David. John, that one is yours. Nice short print RPA. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me for a couple of quick ones. Jeff, definitely check out what's up there now. The brand new Phoenix that's up there for this weekend. We're going to be posting some more stuff tomorrow, including all of Sunday's stuff is going to be posted tomorrow. And we will see you tomorrow night. And if you guys, any of you guys were in the last Sunday breaks with the break credit, which included two of the breaks for today, I'm going to be doing that random as soon as I set it up in the next 10 minutes or so. So I'll get that ready if you guys want to hang out and wait.